So mediating cases in light of COVID-19, interesting topic. And it's something that I believe is going to be part of this evolving process. So I've had 2 mediations already, both virtual, and I have one this week and a couple next week. I think you can mediate virtually. And in fact, I'm going to try to make that more of a common practice in some cases versus having to be there in person. Because what I would tell you in many mediations, you never see the other side anyway, unless you're coming in together or leaving together, unless there's very few mediators that do joint sessions anymore. And what I've found in the mediations we've done virtually is, and that again, is if you can get defense counsel to a mediation, is they actually do work pretty well. You don't have that human aspect, the feel, being able to read somebody as much, body language as much, things like that. And that I look at when I'm trying to figure out, am I being sold a bill of goods, or am I really being told where I stand on a case or where the other side stands on a case? So that I've found over my years of practice that I read a lot from body language and the way things are said. You can pick up some of that virtually, but you don't get all of it. And but I found the 2 we did, one settled, one didn't, to be pretty effective. In technology, as I think the second was much better than the first. I think over time, everybody's learning how to use Zoom and WebEx and all those other formats. But they work pretty well. And the other nice thing about it is you also have the ability to purely limit what anybody can hear, think, or say about your case, because they have no access to you once you go offline, where there's all kinds of things that could be interpreted from way you're doing certain things in a mediation.